What is the SubQuery protocol? The SubQuery can be called Google for the Polkadot blockchain. SubQuery is an indexing protocol for requesting data from the Polkadot blockchain. Let's look at what indexing is, the basic concept of a SubQuery.
In fact, indexing allows you to reduce the time to search for specific information. An example of such indexing in real life is an alphabetical index in books. Instead of looking through the entire book page by page in search of the information we need, we can find what we need much faster using an alphabetical index that will indicate a specific page in which the information we need will be presented.
In computers, index databases are used for the same purposes, which also help to reduce the time spent searching. Instead of scanning the entire database table several times, it is enough to enter and scale a query that will significantly reduce the search time and immediately lead you to the desired element. As for the blockchain of such as Polkadot, indexing is of great importance here. To understand why, let's look at the structure of a typical blockchain. A typical blockchain consists of blocks containing transactions. Blocks are connected to predictive blocks, creating an unchangeable linear history of what happened to the data in the blockchain.
Because of this design, a naive approach to searching for specific information, for example, transactions, will look like this. We will start with one block and try to find a transaction among all transactions in this block. If the data could not be found, we will move to the second block, where we will continue our search in the same way. As you understand, such a process will not be effective. Therefore, Polkadot has its own blockchain review service that is designed to read all blocks in the blockchain and store data in such a way that you can always quickly and easily access this data.
This approach is quite working, but it requires trust in the company providing the data, which is not ideal for creating fully decentralized applications. This is where the SubQuery comes into play. The goal of SubQuery is to become the main infrastructure project for creating fully decentralized applications. SubQuery frees application developers from creating high-performance and truly decentralized applications and allows users to run an indexer node to create a database that can be queried. In the future, SubQuery plans to launch a governance token and become a Polkadot blockchain. There will be 3 players in the SubQuery chain: consumers, that cat develops the project; indexers, deploy the infrastructure for the project and hold the node; and delimiters, holders of the seeds token, who stake tokens in favor of one or another indexer of the network.